Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Imagine this, just a few drops of castor oil mixed with a single garlic clove, and you could unlock a powerful health transformation for your body. This natural blend has surprising benefits that go beyond what you'd expect, soothing pain, boosting immunity, and even helping with hair and skin issues. Plus, stay tuned for a bonus tip at the end to make this mix even more effective. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful, and let me know in the comments what other topics you would love to watch. All right, let's get started. How castor oil and garlic benefit your health. Let's talk about castor oil. For centuries, people have turned to castor oil as a natural remedy for everything from stomach problems to skin issues. It's packed with a fatty acid called ricinoleic acid, which can fight inflammation and even act as a pain reliever. When you rub castor oil on your skin, it gets absorbed and starts working from the inside to soothe aching muscles or joints. Now, pair that with garlic. Garlic is packed with a natural compound called allicin, which fights bacteria, viruses, and even fungi. Researchers have found that allicin can help the immune system respond faster to threats, keeping you healthier over time. When you mix castor oil and garlic, you get a blend that fights inflammation, soothes pain, and helps your body fight infections naturally. How it helps with hair growth. One of the biggest reasons people use castor oil is for hair health, and garlic only makes it better. Castor oil contains vitamin E and omega-6 fatty acids, which are super important for keeping hair strong and shiny. When you massage it onto your scalp, it improves blood flow, giving your hair follicles more nutrients to grow thicker and faster. Garlic, on the other hand, has sulfur and selenium. These two minerals strengthen hair and keep the scalp healthy. By mixing garlic with castor oil, you're giving your scalp the nutrients it needs to promote growth while reducing any dandruff or itchiness. Just a few weeks of using this mix, and you could see a real difference in your hair's thickness and shine. Benefits for skin health. Let's not forget about the skin. Castor oil is an excellent moisturizer, helping your skin stay soft and hydrated. Its ricinoleic acid also helps reduce redness and swelling, making it useful for anyone with sensitive or acne-prone skin. Adding garlic to castor oil is like giving your skin an extra shield. Garlic has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, which means it can help clear up acne or any small cuts and scrapes faster. For best results, try applying the mixture to clean skin, but do a patch test first to make sure it's not too strong for you. How it helps with pain relief. Did you know that castor oil is used as a natural pain reliever? Thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, people often use it to soothe sore muscles, joint pain, or even arthritis. When you add garlic to the mix, you get an even stronger blend. Garlic is well known for reducing inflammation in the body, and combining it with castor oil can create a natural way to soothe pain. Studies show that rubbing castor oil with garlic on achy areas for just a few minutes a day can help reduce pain and stiffness. Whether it's from an old injury or just muscle soreness after exercise, this blend could be your new go-to relief. Boosting immunity with castor oil and garlic. Castor oil and garlic are a dream team for your immune system. Castor oil stimulates the body's lymphatic system, which is responsible for removing toxins from the body. Garlic is rich in antioxidants that fight off free radicals, which damage cells and lower immunity. By using castor oil with garlic, you give your immune system a boost and support your body in staying healthy, especially during cold and flu seasons. Studies even show that garlic can reduce the severity of colds, while castor oil keeps the body's natural detox process running smoothly. Dear friends, if you want to know more benefits of castor oil, you can watch 5 incredible benefits of castor oil. Use it before sleep. In our channel, link in description, and of course in the end screen. Let's start again. How to use the castor oil and garlic blend. Ready to try this mix? Here's a simple way to make it. Crush 1 clove of garlic and let it sit for a few minutes. This allows the allicin to fully activate. Add a few drops of castor oil to the crushed garlic and mix it well. Use a cotton ball or your fingers to apply the mixture to your skin, scalp, or sore muscles, depending on what you're targeting. Just remember to do a quick patch test on your skin before using it in larger areas. Bonus tip for enhanced benefits. And here's the bonus tip we promised. Try adding a bit of turmeric powder to the castor oil and garlic blend. Turmeric has a compound called curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. By adding a small pinch of turmeric, you can enhance the effects of the castor oil and garlic mix, making it even more effective for reducing inflammation and soothing pain. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and hit the notification bell to our channel for more health tips like this one, so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.